Thank you for using Coras and welcome to the Quick Start. Before you finish your coffee, you and your team will be on the path to better work management. What does that mean to you? Greater efficiency and organization, improved processes and best practices, enhanced visibility and teamwork, delivering more outcomes at the speed of business, or is it all the above through increased business agility? The items shown here in the Quick Start provide an accelerated path to learning about and experiencing the core features in Coras, all combining to jumpstart your success. We begin with about groups and items, then the importance of structured work or lanes, followed by the importance of process flow and custom fields. We then go to the power of teams or inviting users, which is tied to teamwork or adding users to a group. From there, we touch base on rapid value delivery or really executing work, and that's closely followed by visibility and transparency, or managing work. And then conclude with best practices and standards, reuse, reinforce, and refine work. The free trial is based on the Business Pro edition, covering the core work management foundation and some of the repeatability features. The Coras Enterprise edition delivers even greater business agility across your organization, with additional features around process, repeatability, business analytics, decision-making, and more. Contact info@coras.com for details and a demonstration. About groups and items. Groups are simply collections of related work items in an organized fashion. For you, a group might be a project, an initiative, a sprint, to-do items, or an event. By definition, the term is generic to adapt to your specific needs. The details associated with the group provides the information that helps define that group. Just complete as much or as little as you need. Items, on the other hand, are individual work elements that can stand alone, or are a collection of items within a group, like project tasks or a marketing checklist. Groups and items represent the foundation of work management, which is capturing and organizing work. By understanding groups and items, you're well on your way to effective work management. The importance of structured groups or lanes. Work is naturally broken down into manageable parts or items. The Coras lanes reflect the way users work by allowing them to organize their work into groups, then break it down. Organized work is structured in this way by allowing users the flexibility to move items around as needed, creating new groups or dragging items where they need to go within the structure. Items with sub-items have a visual, layered representation, and clicking the expand icon in the upper right corner drops you down to the next set of layers in the structure. You can then navigate back up using the breadcrumb. Structured work can be created and saved within the gallery, providing the ability to quickly and easily add pre-structured or repeatable work to a lane. This is done by clicking the Add from Map Gallery icon. The entire structure of work can be seen using the Map icon, providing a map-style display of your different groups and related items all from one place. It also allows you to drill into that structure as needed by clicking on the desired title or link. The importance of process flow and custom fields. The process flow and custom fields allow you to tailor your work according to your unique processes and the information that you need to capture and manage. The wizard for defining process flows and custom fields is accessed using the drop-down under your username in the upper right-hand corner. Once defined, either a process flow or custom field can be applied to individual work items or set as a default for all work items in a group. the power of the team inviting users. Teamwork is the difference between simple task management and collaborative work management. Bringing your team together, whether it's departmental or cross-functional, is the essence of an agile business. It brings focus, transparency, cooperation, and overall accelerates the pace of business and delivering outcomes. The first step to teamwork is inviting team members. The team administrator, who signed up for the Coras trial or purchased Coras, sees the option here to manage users. Just type their name, email, and they'll be sent an invite. Teamwork, assigning users to a group. Once you have team members, they can be assigned to a group or individual work items. At the group level, team members are assigned to the group by clicking the Manage Team Members icon. Team members can then be quickly assigned by filtering based on the desired team member, and then clicking the Assign icon. Rapid value delivery, executing work. Once you've got work into the system and assigned, it's time to get it completed. Users will see their assigned work on the home page using their My Views. My Groups shows your assigned work items by their group within the lanes or a board style view. You can action them by clicking on More and then Details for each item within the lanes, or drag and drop items on the board. My Work Items gives you the same board style view, but displays all items for all groups you belong to by the item status, or when they're due, which is the aging board or the resources view. Visibility and transparency, managing work. While individuals typically manage their work via the My Views on the home page, team members and managers have the visibility, focus, and transparency into group work at the group level. Clicking on any of the group cards allows users to open that specific group. Here you can manage as a group by organizing and reorganizing the teamwork, see all the work by status and who is assigned to what, know where the items fall related to their due dates, and drill down on where things are according to team member. Or if you'd like to see it in a classic Gantt style timeline, you can see in action work in that way as well. And finally, you can add documents to your group to have those associated documents and files all in one place. This holistic view into the teamwork and the clarity it provides to the team is one of the foundational elements of business agility. Best practices and standards: reuse, reinforce, and refine work. And finally, as team members seek to learn from their work and experience to provide greater efficiency, process improvement, and repeatability, Coras provides a gallery of maps. These are pre-configured starter maps to use or jumpstart your work, or you can create maps from scratch and save them to the gallery. Coras continually adds starter maps to the global gallery, which can be saved and used in your local gallery as desired. Go hands-on. The items in the Quick Start group provide additional information and some guidance to going hands-on to experience each of the core capabilities addressed in this overview video. We're happy to provide additional information, answer questions, or give you a live walkthrough based on your needs. Just contact us at info@coras.com or reach out via the chat. Thank you.